You should spend about 20 hours per week for independent studying.
Outside my classes in first year, I probably did around 8 hours a week independent study. If I really enjoyed something, I'd spend this time on this and I'd learn it and I'd research it. And it just depends on where you're at with your maths and what you like and what you enjoy.
It's very important to revise the material or your lecture notes that you already have. Also solve every exercise on the example sheet, as that helps you to prepare for the exam.
I read books from the library. I also watch videos and podcasts online.
Usually we arrange studying with other course mates, so it's a really good way of learning as you can explain material to others.
I love working with other people because it's just great to bounce off ideas and see what other people think.
The Alan Turing building has all the facilities for independent studying.
So you have obviously the library, the Ali G building, and various obviously study zones, and in the library you can book study rooms for groups of you, so for 3 or 4 of you.
In Alan Turing building there is a modern computer cluster where there is all necessary software for math students.
There's loads of resources online as well where you can access, if you need help or even if you just want a bit of guidance, there's the My Learning Essentials, which is a great place where you can just see loads of resources about, how to write this essay or how to, if you're kind of forgotten certain skills or attributes, and it's just a nice place to access these resources.